everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 14th to the 18th of June 2021 on Monday. Zweli rocks Lindiwe's world and the Mokwenas are at their wits as they struggle to help an ungrateful family member on Tuesday. Lindiwe makes a desperate call to hold on to life as she knows it. Dimpo must clean up the broken pieces of her life on Wednesday. Everyone is certain that Zweli has gone mad, and Dimpo discovered that sometimes when a door closes, a window opens on Thursday. Zweli is determined to stand his ground no matter what. Dimpo tried to take control of her life on Friday. Lindiwe and Zweli stand the family. Dimpo finds a new hope for the future. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your